Take, Lord, receive all my liberty, all that I have and all that I possess.
These new missionaries, the Jesuits, are excellent in their work because they've got an apostolic charism.
Here I am in the service of the Lord. I am prepared to live for the mission to India.
Father Francis Xavier got down to work in earnest.
Welcome to Portuguese India.
I would like to live with my brethren suffering in the hospitals.
He was the man of the times. With that enthusiasm, he preached the good news and brought them all to Christ.
Let this light fall on the lives of others.
Father Francis Xavier loved the people he met and saw in them the reflection of God.
I find something strange here in Goa. There are Muslim women who are sold as slaves.
We cannot challenge the influential locals who are part of this trade.
I shall write to the king.
Father Francis Xavier worked without rest.
Your daughter leaves. Go home in peace.
Father, how is this possible? It's been 3 days since my daughter died.
His teaching were accompanied by the miracles. So powerful was the teaching of Saint Francis Xavier.
Esmeralda, I baptize you in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Jesus! I believe in you, Jesus.
People were amazed by seeing these good works, and many wanted to embrace the new religion.
Father Francis Xavier fell sick with a violent fever that lasted for 15 days. The fever persisted. He grew weaker and weaker.
Father Francis Xavier passed into history.
And when the body was exhumed, they were all shocked to see the body intact.
Was that really an undecomposed body?
Did St. Francis Xavier invite the Inquisition in Goa?
There is a necessity of the Holy Inquisition, and many preachers.
We cannot say Inquisition has not happened. It did happen.
The governor placed his staff of office in the hands of the saint.
The newly appointed Lord of Goa, St. Francis Xavier, defended the Goan territory without arms and ammunition.
These beliefs cannot be questioned now. These are dogmas, these are people's beliefs. So all sorts of beliefs are there.
Lord, all for your greater glory.